So from my perspective, there's sort of three things that I really appreciated from working with CDPS. I suppose, firstly, and possibly most importantly, they clearly had access to people who absolutely knew what they were on about. So that's been really important. I think the second thing is that they're independent, so they come from a place where they can give you their honest view. And I think that's really been useful to us as an organisation. We value that. And finally, I think the fact that there's no kind of commercial relationship long term that's sitting behind it means you can kind of just trust them in an open way, and that's been really, really helpful. I think the long-term impact of what we did with CDPS has been to create something which is self-sustaining and has given us the confidence really to try things out for ourselves and do things that we hadn't done in quite the same way before. It's certainly given us the sense of wanting to try and be more open in the way we work, and definitely we have created an energy which is self-sustaining, which I don't think we could remotely have done without the work we've done together with CDPS.